What's up, beautiful people? It's Cameron again. Happy Saturday. Hope everybody's enjoying their Saturday and just relaxing and safely running errands if need be. Just wanted to hop on real quick and just talk about basically the first step, or one of the first components that is pretty much a must-have if you're starting to get into the market. And it's a term that we call it fundamental analysis. So what is fundamental analysis? So it's basically looking into a company, looking at their financial statements, basically the balance sheet, the income statement, statement of cash flows. And so you just really want to look at their financial statements. You want to look at their board of directors, their CEO, who's in their C-suite, right? So C-suite is like the CEO, the COO, the CFO, the CIO, right? And so you want to take a look at those particular companies that you're interested in investing in, and you want to kind of understand what's the forward thinking, what's the forward movement, what are their initiatives in the near future, right? And so are they forward thinking? Of course, with this new administration that just came in, Biden administration, of course, his whole initiatives are aimed around energy and conserving energy and green energy and clean energy, right? So what are some of the companies that we should be looking into that are related to that particular umbrella or sector or industry? So that's a first that you want to do, financial analysis. And you can do this by going on the company site directly, Google it, and Google the company, and you want to look at most of the investor information is under the About tab, and you can look. It's probably, if you scroll down, it's all the way at the bottom. It's usually called Investor Relations, and so there you will see all the financial statements. You will see like the 10Qs, their annual financials, their quarterly financials, and what you want to look at, year over year, how much are they improving? And some of the key components that you want to look at is their balance sheet. On their balance sheet, does their assets outweigh their liabilities? If so, it's a probability that it's a healthy company, right? They can, we have more assets than liabilities. And so you can look at the income statement, where we are with net income year over year. And you want to look at this to get a really solid, good company, probably from 5 to 10 to 15 to 20 years. And so you just want to just see the trend year over year. And so if, they're basically making money, so they're profitable, their net income is profitable, that's when you want to go further into analyzing those particular companies. And so that's pretty much a start. There are a lot of resources out there. Like I said, you can look at the company website. You can look on Yahoo Finance. This is a great, website. You can just type in the ticker symbol. You can look on FinViz. You can look at the Motley Fool. Market Watch is another good website where you can get all the information, all the news for a particular company, and their initiatives, and kind of see, how the company is doing, and how, whatever news that comes out about it, like how the market is reacting to it. And so you want to just study those particular components. And, this is all about financial analysis. And the fundamentals are key while picking your companies, because if you're in it for the long term, which I am, and I recommend everybody to be in the long term, unless you can catch a swing play, or you can ride a news like the AMC, the GameStop, and all that stuff. Yes, that's that's a wild card play. And the more that you're in the in the stock market, you'll hear about those things, and you can catch it and ride the wave. But it's not a, I don't recommend that myself. Just for anybody new coming on, I don't recommend that. You ride the wave. It's kind of like gambling to me. I'm more into investing. So, you really just want to do your due diligence, your research on these particular companies. Figure out the fundamentals of the company. If it's profitable, where are they going? What does their board look like? Is it diverse? Is their initiatives progressive? Or maybe I shouldn't say progressive, but forward thinking, and where the world is going, right? So that is what we call fundamental analysis. And I am going to share some more resources down in the link or in the post or whatever. And check out some of those websites and just start to look at their company website. Go to their investor relation section and look at their financials. Go, like I said, to Market Watch or Yahoo Finance to start studying these companies, so you can kind of get a flavor of what they do and where they're going. And do you see yourself basically marrying it for the long term? So again, just a quick video. Thank you for watching, and God bless.